We're at the Hoh Rainforest on our first little hike this morning. So, took us 2 hours to get here, so we're looking forward to this. A long line just to get past the ranger station or the welcome center. So anyway, on the trail. Spruce trail, we're going to take the Hall of Moss first. Hall of Mosses. See what's ahead. These trees are humongous. A lot different than the mist was in this morning at the beach. Pretty cool. These logs from these fallen trees. Pretty interesting path. These are amazing. These trees, I guess in this area, spruce, hemlock, and Douglas fir are all in this forest. So this is kind of a turnaround spot we came into. That's pretty cool. Very cool. It's growing, trees growing out of we're on top of old dead trunk. I can. Still in the mosses. It's kind of cool the way these roots intertwine. Okay, we're headed to the Spruce Trail. On our way. Well, we're still on the Spruce Nature Trail. And we're coming out to the Hoh River. Right up ahead. The Hoh River. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. All these trees linked together in the root system. Okay, we're at the Hoh Rainforest. We just finished Moss's Trail and the Spruce Nature Trail. It's been a great morning. Afternoon now. Okay, we have arrived at Marymere Falls Trail, and we're gonna go check out the waterfalls. So far, we've had a great day. So this may be our last trail of the day, so we'll see how it goes. We're just getting started right here near the lake. It's very cool under this tree cover here. It's Crescent Lake down below. Got 1.5 miles round trip. It's pretty cool going through a tunnel. We have jerky. Make sure we get some protein today. Look at this tree. So cool. Still making our way. We're going over the stream here. Got a few more steps here. Oops. A few more bridges. It reminds me a lot like we were still in the rainforest. There's a waterfall over there. That might be where we're headed. Got a bit of a workout, but we got to a fork. We're gonna stay to the left where it loops. Some steps. Nice, we're climbing up to the top where the waterfall's at. Well, we made it up to the waterfall. It's impressive. Nice.
This is Marymere Falls.
Well, we made it back to the car. That was a pretty interesting hike. The waterfall's pretty cool. 1.7 mile hike. So day 2 is over.